Hi guys, so in this video we are going to jump into a website which helps us learn the programming mainly on the JavaScript side. So this basic should also help you in learning the programming or the basics of any programming by learning it in JavaScript. JavaScript is one of the easiest language to learn, so I will teach you from that so that you can apply the same knowledge in any other programming language in future. So let us dive in. Open this URL. I will also share this in the description section of the video. So open this website and then click on the try it out. So once you click on this, it will give you a basic introduction, and in this website you can learn up to 40 trials, which it says on the top right section. The first 40 lessons and challenges are free, so that you can learn the first 40 lessons for free. So go through this and once you're done reading this, click on the next button, which is shown in the bottom, and then again read what are the basic functions and how to implement that, what is a written keyword, and everything is explained so elegantly in this website. Once you're done reading this page, also come to the third page where we can write the program or the function whatever we learned in the previous section. So I have completed this, but you can actually, yeah, when you open the site for the first time, it will be like this. So you will have to complete this function and click on the run button to test all these cases. Okay, so let us write what this function expects is complete the function sum such that it returns sum of a and b. So a and b are two parameters of a function. So if you see here, we are calling that function from here. Console log is the statement which is used to print in the log in the console, and sum is the function name which we are calling. When you hover on this, it is telling it is accepting two parameters. One is a, which is of type number, and the other is b of type number again, and it is currently returning nothing, so it says void. Void is something which is not defined. So let us complete the function by adding the a and b. So all we have to do is return a plus b, right? Automatically this website saves your file and then outputs the data in your console. As you can see now, 1 plus 3 is 4 and 2 plus 5 is 7, which is printed here already. So I will run the test cases. All the test cases are run. Hooray, you got the. Similarly, we can write the functions for subtract and multiply and division. I suggest you follow the same and then write the other methods. So I'll just show you one so that you can continue the same for other operations, a comma b. So in this function, we want to subtract two numbers. All we have to do is a minus b, right? And we can write, you can copy paste it from the top, but I prefer writing so that you understand, and then practice. 3 comma 2, 3 comma 3 is 0, 3 comma 2 is 1. It is getting printed already here. I'll add another console.log subtract of 9 comma 4, which is 5. It is getting printed here. So similarly, you can write functions for multiply and divide, and then write the log statement so that you see the console outputs.